Hi everyone, here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 90 and let me share with you how to enable call waiting on this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer and tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. Now we have to enter the settings and let's tap on calling accounts. As you can see here we've got the option call waiting, so let's tap on it. And I've got some problems with my SIM card, but no worries. You will be able to turn on or off this option. So all you have to do in order to activate the call waiting is to just tap on this switcher, and since this circle will be in the right side, then it means that for sure you just activated it and your device will notify you about any other incoming calls if you will be during a call. Obviously you can turn it off the same way. So actually this is it. This is how to enable and actually how to find the call waiting in your Xiaomi Redmi Note 90. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.